Good morning, everyone. Talking about career trends that are there, not only we have lot of developers and programmer opportunities coming up in this year, but there are a lot of other opportunities that are there, which talks about how we can implement an AI solution in our company. For that, we require not only developers, because developers are only 10 to 20% of the work. You need to make sure that they are implemented in your company. And we also always mentioned building a POC is something, but actually implementing it inside your pipeline, there are a lot of other things that you need to take care of that are also non-technical. And here we can see a lot of companies are increasing their spending, and these are mostly Fortune 500 companies in enterprise AI, up to 52% year on year. What does it mean for you? That there are a lot of demands for professionals, not only for developers, but also want to manage AI budgets, implement strategies, and ROI analysis. There is a lot of increase in company hiring, and every company that is there, 73% of the companies, if you open LinkedIn, Indeed, they are hiring for non-technical roles, especially in AI strategy, ethics, communication, because this is something very new, and many people are not aware about it. An AIT project is very very different from a AI project which has lot of other dependencies that are there. So there are a lot of different hiring. So as mentioned, this AI boom is going to replace lot of jobs and create lot of new jobs, which you need to be prepared about how to get it. There is a lot of focus on responsible AI and prompt engineering, the new skill that is there. And prompt engineering is not something out of the blue. It is just a more technical and scientific way of talking to the systems, writing your programs in such a way that it's more understandable by the large language models. And professionals with knowledge of ethical AI and effective prompt use will be very very valuable, and not so much coding skills are required for these type of roles that are coming up. So professionals with knowledge of ethical AI and effective, how to use prompts in a proper way, how to get AI to do your work for you, is also going to be very very example. All these things come up. That is the reason why we are pushing AI for executives program, because of the same need that lot of jobs don't require you to know lot of things in coding, and you can also have this as your skill that you can use for your future employment. There is a lot of increase in job postings. If you go to Indeed, you go to LinkedIn, you just search for a city, search for AI, you will see there's a lot of jump. According to a report from McKinsey, 85% there is increase. What does it mean for you? The demand for individuals who can bridge the gap between technical and business is surging, because this is a good thing that if you are part of such programs, if you are educated enough, you can understand AI, you can understand LLMs, and also you can talk to the business and talk to the technical team like a the business consultant roles that were there prior. Now you need to be more how you can do the requirement gathering, how you can answer the business, how you can get value out of these things. This is a skill that is very very in demand right now. In 2024, 33% of the respondents said their organization were regularly using generative AI, and this number increased to 65% in early 2025. So this is a huge number. Skills in the area like project management, communication, and industry expertise combined with basic AI knowledge can make you an attractive candidate. And that is the reason why I tell everyone to use to learn these skills, invest in your skills and your foundations, and add it in your profile, which is going to make you preferable. Suppose there are two candidates A and B who have all the same skills, but you have an extra knowledge about these skills, the new generative AI skills that we are mentioning, then you are going to have a better edge compared to the others. So you can see that the trend is there. Lot of non-technical roles are going to come up with little bit of prompt engineering and understanding the whole generative AI landscape, so that you can use it for your enterprise. No more in the community below. Thank you.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.